Hello everyone, this is Anne from Odulcina. I have this new kit of to create bookmarks for the holiday seasons and Christmas, of course, winter, Christmas, holiday season, and they're different sizes. So those where there's a white here, it's because they're longer than these, for example. And so there's a couple of pages and you have different style there for different occasion. And with that, it should kind of cover the winter and the holidays. And what I want to do is convert those into bookmarks. And this is what I'm going to do today. Bookmarks to give as a gift in a card or add in a junk journal. So depending on what you want to do with that, they can be used as an ephemera or a real bookmark for books. I'm going to show you quickly what I've been doing to cut them and have like an edge that is not clean cut. So I'm using the ruler. And if you have the bookmark under the ruler, if you're right-handed, you're going to have kind of the pulp of the paper, you see, showing a little bit. So it looks more like a watercolor thing, paper, or like an edge that is not clear cut like with a trimmer. I love that. So that's what I've been doing. And then I'm going to show you different things that I've done on those bookmarks to embellish them. So first I've used a little bit of glue and glitters to go all around the bookmarks. And then you can as well just add little dots of glue here and there on the bookmark and add glitters too. That's another option I didn't do here, but that would be an option. You could use as well embossing powder and emboss them. Then I've used that little bottle. I'll try to find it on Amazon, but this is in my stash since my scrapbooking years, which is probably 15 years old. So I'm not sure if it's still on the market, but I have some that is kind of white and some that is silver. They probably have other colors, but these are the two that I bought in the past. And I'm just applying that 3D kind of modeling paste that has glitters and it's really shiny and it's kind of a pearl finishing. It's super nice. I'm looking back at this video and it doesn't give at all the beauty of that in real. You kind of don't see the glitters and the shiniest like it is in real, and you see all the bumps, I would say, that you don't really see that much in real. But look what you can do for mimicking the snow. You can kind of add this, and it's 3D, not really high, but just more than nothing. And it's shiny. So I really love that. If I can find it, and I really suggest you buy that. This is super cool. My favorite is this Smoosh glitters. Again, it's in my stash since I probably didn't use that for more than 15 years now, okay? And it's still good. Can you believe that? So I think it's alcohol base glycerin glitters in it because it doesn't impact the color of my printers, the printer ink. So I find it's really cute. You can see when it's dry in that outside lamp there, the street lamp. It's really glittery and it's really easy to apply. I loved it. I've used that wax too with my finger and it's kind of an hologram. So I have some wax that are more blue tinted and others that are purple. And I really enjoyed using the wax. So you're going to see now the end results of my bookmarks. or I should say ephemera, to add to junk journal pages like in these examples. So when I added laces, and it might be more for a junk journal ephemera, but those who just have the glitters or the pearl paste, they're perfect as bookmarks, but they can go in a junk journal too. So I love this collection of bookmarks. It's very, very versatile, and the options to decorate them or to add them into a project are endless, because you can really use those bookmarks to complete a design, glue on another paper, literally to add kind of an ephemera on the paper, or you can add laces, sari silk, and other layers of paper to create a cute ephemera by itself. So again, I'm sorry that the beauty of that is not reflected in the video, but at least it gives you kind of an idea. These, I've used the wax, the colored wax that I applied with my fingers, and here in the middle of the flowers, there's that pearl cream, and I just love them. This is not my typical style, right? But I'm in love with those watercolor bookmarks. You have no idea. So that's it. I'm ending this video with those Christmassy bookmarks that I added snow. I hope it inspired some of you. And I'll see you in the next video, where I'm going to use the new kit that I created for the Christmas and holiday season with some gold accents. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.